All right, guys, we got the Helavo roller together, and I'm going to show you a couple things about it that is going to make it a game changer for you. This thing has adjustments in each section. So you have the front wheel adjustments, the back wheel adjustments. You have an adjustment for your back strap, an adjustment for your arms. You want to see how easy it is? Let's go ahead and get over here. Super simple and easy. So for this foot, just like this, all we have to do is press this little button. Boom, I can make that a little bit smaller. Or let's say I'm a little bit on the taller side. We can go the opposite direction. Just like so, I can make it taller, okay? Same thing goes for my arm positions. There are a ton of arm positions. Most people miss this, okay? You can see all these little holes right here in the back. There are a ton of arm positions. So let's say I need to have it really, really low. So look, I can move this back strap all the way up. Again, super adjustable, and I can push this all the way down. Look how low that handle will go right there. And it goes super high without any issues. Very, very, very simple process to make this happen. And then let's come over to the front. We have 3 positions on our front wheels as well. We got 1, 2, and 3 right there. So way customizable to be able to make it meet your needs. Let's go ahead and get this fixed and put back without any issues. There we go. We're all back to the same level. And then last but not least, it is super comfortable, easy to use, but guess what? You have some awesome storage down below. You have a spot to put some paperwork if you need it. You have a nice little bag down below with your brakes, keeping that good, as well as your cup holder. Cup holder being able to hold all kinds of fun stuff. Guys, look how easy this is. You're able to sit down, not have any problems. I got the back strap in a good spot. I'm able to lean back and not have any issues. Making my life so much easier, so much more comfortable, and being able to get around and enjoy life. Guys, check out Helavo. They have a great product. This thing is super nice and will be nice for you. Check it out.